Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's start. Investors will get an update on US retail sales along with earnings results from several major retailers in the week ahead, which will be pursued for insight into the stretch of consumer spending amid elevated elevated pressures. The Federal Reserve is to release the minutes of its July meeting, which will be scrutinized for clues about the size of upcoming rate hikes. The UK is to release data on employment, retail sales, and inflation, which is expected to close in on 10% as the economy slides closer towards recession. Meanwhile, central banks in New Zealand and Norway are expected to announce big rate hikes. Here's what you need to know to start your week. The US is to release July retail sales figures on Wednesday, which will be watched for indications on the stretch of consumer spending after a slowdown in second quarter growth. Economists are expecting an increase of just 1% after a gain of 1.0% the previous month, with falling gasoline price accounting for some of the slowdown. Investors will also get an update on the cooling US housing market, with July data on housing starts due on Tuesday after falling to a 9-month low in June. US exciting home sales figures for July are due on Thursday after falling for a fifth straight month in June to the lowest level in 2 years. The Fed is to publish the minutes of its July meeting on Wednesday, which will be in the spotlight after economic data over the last 2 weeks boosted. Investors hopes that the central bank can pull off a soft landing for the economy. A blowout jobs report for July is it first over the prospect of recession, while last week's inflation data point to the largest monthly slowdown 1970. Traders are currently pricing in a less hawkish Fed, with Fed fund futures showing a greater change of officials raising rates by 50 basis points when they meet in late September instead of 75 basis points as they have done at their last two meetings. Fed policymakers have pushed back on expectation for a dovish pivot, and economists have warned that inflation could return in the coming months. After a rocky start to the year, which saw the tumble 20% in the first half, stronger than forecast second quarter earnings have helped bolster US equities. Walmart and Home Depot are due to report second quarter earnings on Tuesday, followed a day later by Target and Lowe's, with investors eager to hear what the largest retailers have to say. Ongoing supply chain issue sorry but Walmart and Target have recently cut forecasts and warned inflation was squeezing margins and forcing consumers to cut back on discretionary purchases. Retailers' outlook on consumer spending will be important for investors looking to assess the pace of inflation. Okay, guys, maybe that's all from me. Sorry for mistake. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.